Now, let's see how to close a file. To close the file, first navigate to its location. You can find the option to close the file directly in the file listing, from where multiple files can be closed in one go. Alternatively, to close any specific file, select Close option from the action bar on the inner page of the file. User can choose either method based on their preference. Then open the file and click on Send for approval under Close option in action bar. Enter the mandatory remarks and click OK. The competent authority will have access to a Close button, which they can select and click OK after entering an appropriate remark. Files which are submitted for closing approval will move to a subfolder under Inbox, which is Submitted Files for Closing Approval subfolder. Here, under Action, user has Cancel option available to discard the initiated request if closing of the file is not required any further. Alongside, user also has View Approver option to see the list of closing approving authorities in the section. Now, let's see how a senior official, who is approving authority for closing, can take further action on the closing request received. Officer can click on Closing and Reopening option under Approval Request option in File Repository module to view closing requests sent by subordinate. Here, officer can see the list of all the requests sent by their subordinates for closing or reopening approval, with details such as computer number, file number, subject, requested by, requested on, sender remark, status, request type, and remark. For closing request, the request type would be Close. Now, the approving authority can click on Approve option under Action to approve the closing request of file. Here, Remarks field will come auto-filled with sender's remark. However, approving authority can edit these remarks if required and then click on OK button. Now, once approved for closing, file will move from Submitted Files for Closing Approval subfolder to Closed Files folder under File Repository. In other case scenario, officer can discard the request as well by clicking on Reject option, which will move the file back to inbox of the sender who has sent for approval. Further, no action can be taken on closed files as these are now inactive files. However, later if any action is required on closed files, they can be reopened. Now, let's have a look at the steps for reopening of a closed file. Any user from the Dealing section can initiate a request for file reopening. To do the same, user can go to File Repository module to access Closed File folder. This folder by default shows list of all the files closed within the section. However, from File View option on top right corner, user can view the list of files closed in their hierarchy, but if file does not pertain to their section, it cannot be reopened. Apart from this, Filter option is also available to segregate the list based on parameters such as nature of file, file heads, subject category, closing date, and closing location. Further, depending on the available actions, users can reopen any file as and when needed. Here, it is important to note that files which has reopen option available under action can be reopened directly without any approval, as these were the files that were closed from user's own created folder directly without approval. Now, reopening approval, which is available for files closed by the user themselves after approval and can be reopened simply after obtaining approval. Let's just take this one file and reopen it. Click on Reopening Approval option under Action. Enter mandatory remarks. Click on OK. File will move from Closed folder to Submitted for Reopening Approval folder. For reopening request, the request type would be Reopen. Now, the approving authority can click on Approve option under Action to approve the reopening of file, or else can discard the request by clicking on Reject option. Enter the mandatory remarks. Click on OK. File is reopened and moves to the inbox of the user. Other files can also be reopened in the similar manner.